Hello, lovely people, coders and gamers. So today, since last 2 days, I have been trying to relive my nostalgic days back in as I was a 90s kid to download and install uh, GTA Vice City, San Andreas, or Road Rash type of games. And especially, I've been trying from untrustworthy websites. So I'm not saying that those links or torrents doesn't work at all, but sometimes you won't get to know when a virus or any malware is attached to that links or those downloads folders, and it will corrupt your whole system. In fact, new system, some of those folders were like burned cd-rom files. So when you have downloaded it, you need to have some daemon files or power iso tool to burn those setup files, and then you can install, which is, I believe, I don't recommend it at all for the modern age laptops, especially if you are having a new gaming series laptops. So this is just a message from my side that now a lot of softwares, professional tools that I use, like various virtual machines, PySpark, or different type of AWS interfaces too, have got messed up in my system, and now I have to again like format and reinstall those systems, which is going to take time. And yeah, while downloading and installing those games, lots of my time and data has been wasted. So I just recommend you all that if you are trying to download and install those games, then try it from maybe your friend or from somebody that you rely upon. Although I am myself a professional, but I was so delved in to live those video games memories that I didn't find a single minute time to think upon it, that what the link I am clicking on is good or bad for the health of my system. So that's it. That's the message that I wanted to give up to you. And why I couldn't record it in laptop screen is because if I wanted to show you those links or something like that in torrent or pirate way, YouTube would have discouraged it, and yep, it would have been already taken out from the system from YouTube already. Okay, cheers then. Thank you.